Hi everyone, in this video I am going to teach you how to construct similar triangle by using interactive animations to demonstrate the construction. So without wasting our time, let us jump into the problem. So this is the second question of exercise 11.2. The question states, construct a triangle of sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm and then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So first we need to draw a triangle with the side 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm and then we need to draw a triangle which is similar to this triangle. So there are two terms where usually the students get confused. One is congruent and the other one is similar. So let us understand the difference between these two first. So what is congruent? When the two figures have the same shape and size, that is called as congruent. Similar is nothing but where the shape will be same with the previous one, but the sizes will be different. So in this problem, we are going to draw similar triangle of the side 4, 5, 6 centimeter triangle. And in the question, it is clearly mentioned that the sides should be 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So the ratio they have given. Now we need to understand how to draw the similar triangle which is in the ratio 2 by 3. So when we are coming to the ratio, we will be having two kinds of ratio. One is greater than 1 ratio and the other one is less than 1 ratio. So there are different steps of construction for these two kinds of ratios. So here we have been given 2 by 3 where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, then obviously it is less than 1 ratio. So now we will learn the different steps to draw the similar triangle when the ratio is less than type. So now let us start with the construction. First, draw a line AB of the length 6 centimeter. Why we are taking 6 centimeter? Always it is recommended to take the longest side among the given side as the base of the triangle. So it is recommended to take the smallest side of the given triangle to be on the right. So let me measure 4 centimeter using the scale, and now I'll just keep the compass on point P and cut the arc. So now the remaining among these three sides is 5 centimeter. So let me measure 5 centimeter using the scale and draw an arc by keeping my compass at point A, and this arc should be intersecting with the previous arc. Now mark the intersection point as C. Now join BC and then join AC to get a triangle, and this is the given triangle. We need to draw one more triangle which is similar to the triangle that we have got it now. Now let us start with the very first step of constructing similar triangle. Draw a line AX which is acute angle with the line AB. What do you mean by acute angle? Acute angle is nothing but less than 90 degree. So draw a line or ray AX which is acute angle to the line AB. It can be of any measurement, but it should be an acute angle. Locate 3 points on the ray AX. Why 3 points? Because you need to select the bigger number in the ratio. So among 2 and 3, 3 is the greater number. So you need to mark 3 points on the ray AX, and all these 3 points should be equidistant from each other. Let me tell you the method how to draw this. Now draw an arc by taking any measurement by keeping your compass at point A, and then mark the intersection point with the arc and the line AX as point A1. In the same way, now keep your compass at point A1 and cut an arc with the same measurement without altering the compass. And after that, mark the intersection point of the arc and the line AX as A2. In the same way, do it for A3. So one tip, when you are measuring the distance for drawing the arcs, you need to always consider the ratio. Why I am saying this? Because if you have taken the measurement of the arc as very large, maybe 2 or 3 centimeter for every arc, and if you have the ratio with bigger number, maybe 7 by 8 or something, then it will not be very feasible for you to draw all the 7 points or 8 points on the arc. Then again you need to redraw it. And if you have the ratios with smaller number, then easily you can take that with 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter. And please don't take very small also, because it will not be visible, and the diagram what you will be getting, it will not be that clear. So take the appropriate measurement by considering the ratio. So till now, whatever we have followed the steps, it is same for less than one type of ratio and greater than one type of ratio. And now whatever we are following, it is different for less than type of triangle and greater than type of triangle. So do not miss the next video, because in that video I am going to discuss how to draw similar triangle when the ratio is greater than one type. Now for less than one type of ratio, we need to join the point A3 with the point B. So whatever the side name you have taken for this base, you need to join the end point with the last point on the ray AX. Now the fourth step is to draw the parallel line from A3B through the point A2. So you can follow any of the method to draw the parallel line that I have discussed in the previous video. So if you have not visited that video, please do visit and select the method whichever you feel easy. So here I am going to use the arc method. So let me draw an arc of any measurement by keeping my compass at point A3, and without altering my compass, I need to take the same measurement arc by keeping my compass at A2. I need to draw one more arc. Measure the distance between the intersection point of the drawn arc with the line AX and the intersection point of the line BA3 with the drawn arc. Now, keeping the distance constant, keep your compass at the point of intersection where the line AX and the arc that you have drawn from where you need to draw the parallel line. You need to keep your compass and cut the arc of the same measurement and find the intersection point. Now join the point A2 with the intersection point and project that till it meets the line AB. Mark the point where it is meeting the line AB as B1. And this is the line which is parallel to the line A3B. In the same way, draw a line parallel to BC which is passing through the point B1. So again the same procedure, take some measurement and draw an arc by keeping your compass at point B. Without altering your compass, with the same measurement, keep your compass at point B1 and draw an arc. Now find the distance between the intersection point of the newly the previous arc drawn and the line BC, and also the intersection point of the arc and the line AB. And with the same measurement, keep your compass at the intersection point of the arc that you have drawn for drawing the parallel line with the intersection with AB, and keep your compass here and draw an arc which intersects with the previous arc. Now join the point B1 with the intersection point of the arc and produce that line to meet that with the line AC, and mark the point as C1. And this is your required triangle A, B1 and C1. So this is how you will draw similar triangle when the ratio given to you is less than 1 ratio. Okay, so now in the next video I'll be taking the question from the textbook which will be based on greater than 1 ratio. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.